It's May 2020 and I just got started on multiplayer integration for Epocria. Skip over half a year later to December 2020 and it's complete. Let's talk about that. When I first got started working on multiplayer integration, I experimented with a few different networking solutions such as Unet and Forge Networking Reforged, and although they are good and have their own strengths, they didn't fulfill all my needs for Epocria. So I set out to make my own Unity networking solution, which I called Entity Networking Systems, or simply ENS, which I made publicly available for anyone to use on GitHub, alongside some basic documentation explaining how it works. I'll link it below. Within a week of working on ENS, I had mostly everything I need for implementation into Epocria. My goal with ENS was not to just make a system for Epocria, but also to code it in a very generalized way so I could use it later down the line for other games and software. Here's a test project I made while developing ENS. It's also available to test and modify via GitHub. It felt really good to see some zeros and ones over a network making things happen in a Unity game. I've also considered releasing short YouTube tutorials on how to use ENS, or just Unity in general. Let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in seeing me do via the comments below. Alright, so here's how we want to make a multiplayer game. Basically, you just click on single player, click the world you want, survival world, and then you can either select host game or enter world, single player, host game, opens this nifty menu, 2 to 8 players, something like 7, password, you don't need it, server port, you do need a server port, but you probably don't need to touch that, done, and then it does some magic, and then we're in a world. Doesn't usually take too long. There we go. Says that we've joined for us and all that. There's a nice nifty chat. Hello there. Not only that is I made 3 helper commands. Kick, so I can kick a user for a reason. Then I can list, and then profile list /list tells me the /list tells me the player, and then /profile. If I type like the person's name, it opens profile. You guys can't see it because it's in the shift tab menu, but that's basically what'll happen is the profile will open up to their profile. And then here's basically a short clip of me joining my own game. This is me right here. This is me on another game on the same computer. I can walk around on this computer. I can walk around on this computer over here. I can shoot things. Cow just spawned over there, picked up those items, stuff like that. Just thought I'd quickly show it off briefly. So then I also have it set up. So what I can do is if I click multiplayer, I can join a game like this, select, you can add it. You can also add this thing pop up. You can have a hide IP option, which will, instead of saying the IP, just hide the IP, just in case you're a streamer or something and you're playing the game or it's a private server. There is also, if I click select, join server, there's also a password system. So if your IP does get leaked, well, you can do that. Password test, done. Then I'm in the game. Takes a second to join usually, and then we're in. There we go. Just one more moment. There you go. That's pretty quick. Doesn't take that much time to load the whole world in. And then yeah, we can walk around, stuff like that. Thank you guys for tuning in to another Epocria Devlog. Of course, remember to devastate the subscribe button. And as well, I released an update to Epocria's Steam demo a few days ago. So go check it out. Links are in the description, of course. And finally, let me guys know if you'd like to see me start posting Unity tutorials or ENS ones. If you have any suggestions, feel free to comment below or join the Discord and let me know personally. Once again, I've been Ryan. Thanks for watching.